This is our beer can, beer top inspection using our new L4000. This is the 4100 model. As the cans go by in our boxes, we're looking to make sure we have 6 cans and then making sure the tabs are in the correct orientation and position on each of the cans. We're using, again, our custom web HMI that you can display 3D image, your 2D image, any kind of statistics and graphics that you really want in a very easy to use format to highlight it. But what I like to really highlight here is the 3D image itself, and then plus all the 3D graphics. Like you can see both tabs failed there. We're using easy height tool measurements to locate that. And in this case, this next one, we're missing the tab and we're missing a can. So it's just very easy to program the interface to show your operator what's wrong, what's not in this 3D space. We're using a factory calibrated laser line to the camera to then scan and generate that 3D image. The really nice thing about this camera too is that it also produces a line scan grayscale image. So that's what we're displaying right down here. Gives you another added element of what you can do for your inspections. Not just 3D, but you can do 2D at the same time.